PyCharm is an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it's nothing but a software where we can write, edit, run, and debug Python code. Now we'll see how to open PyCharm and create a new project called Hello World. To do that, click the Launchpad and click the PyCharm icon. Once PyCharm has been opened, we'll create the new project button here and give a name for our project. I'll name it Hello World. Make sure you select the latest version of Python which we have downloaded and click create. So this will create a virtual environment. So now once the environment has been created, we are going to create a new file with the extension .py. So any file with .py represents a Python file. So to do that, this is the folder hello world. Right click on it, go to new and click on Python file. Now name your file. I'll name it as main and I'll click Python file. So now you can see there is a file called main which has an extension .py, meaning this is a Python file. And this Python file is inside the Hello World project. So you might have noticed one difference, that your PyCharm theme is white in color and mine is dark in color. So to make it dark, you have to go to your upper right hand corner, click this wheel button and click on settings. Under settings, go to appearance and behavior, go to appearance and select the theme which you like. I have selected dark theme, and once you select dark, click OK. And one more thing you have to change is the font size. To change the font size, go to editor, fonts, and change the appropriate size which you want and click OK. So the user interface of PyCharm has basically three parts. The part where the folder and the files are located are called as the project tool window. And once we select a file, to our right, the empty space where we can write the code, this part is called as the editor. Once we have written some Python code, we are going to hit the run button here. And once we hit the run button, another window pops up which basically displays the output of whatever is written in the editor. And this window is called as the run tool window.